So guys, the God showed me on yesterday that some of you guys, I don't know if you know, that whoever your divine counterpart was, the gods told me that whoever this karmic for them was, whoever this specific karma was that they had a kid with, she left him for another woman, or for the same sex, male or female, okay? And spirit, what did this woman want to do? Once your person found this out, what did he do, spirit? Once the collective person found out that his baby mama wanted to be with the same sex, male or female, what did he or she do? What did they do, spirit? What did they do? Show me. Probably nothing. Look. Ooh. What did they do? They became defensive. They tried to fight for the relationship. They tried to debo out here. They tried to debo this woman. They became defensive. Yeah, they could have wanted their child. They felt defeated.